Are you ready to unlock the easiest ways to earn money online in 2025? Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or looking for a side hustle, these methods are designed for everyone. Stay tuned as we uncover 10 proven ways to boost your income this year. Freelancing is booming in 2025, with more companies outsourcing tasks globally. Whether you're a skilled writer, graphic designer, programmer, or video editor, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide. Don't have advanced skills? No problem. Many beginners start with simple tasks like data entry or virtual assistants and grow their expertise over time. Rates can range from $10 to over $200 an hour, depending on your niche, and consistency is key to building a solid portfolio. Passive income is the dream, and selling digital products is one of the best ways to achieve it. Whether you create ebooks, online courses, templates, or printables, platforms like Gumroad and Teachable make it easy to sell your work. For example, an artist might sell printable art, while a fitness coach could create workout guides or video tutorials. The beauty of digital products is that once they're created, they can sell over and over again without additional effort. Affiliate marketing is perfect if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or even an active social media presence. Simply promote products you love using your unique affiliate link and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. Programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank are great starting points. Successful affiliates often focus on specific niches like fitness, tech, or home improvement and create honest, value-driven content to build trust with their audience. Online tutoring is a rewarding way to share your knowledge while earning money. Platforms like VIPKid or Preply allow you to teach subjects like math, science, or even music and art to students around the world. Tutors can earn $15 to $40 per hour or more depending on their subject and experience. Plus, with flexible hours, you can teach when it suits your schedule. If you're creative or have access to unique items, selling on platforms like Etsy or eBay can be a profitable venture. On Etsy, handmade or vintage goods and craft supplies are top sellers, while eBay is perfect for collectibles, electronics, and second-hand items. To stand out, focus on excellent photography and clear, detailed descriptions. Some sellers even turn their shops into full-time businesses. In 2025, video content is still king. YouTube and TikTok offer creators countless ways to earn money, from ad revenue to brand sponsorships and merchandise sales. The key is choosing a niche you're passionate about, whether it's gaming, education, cooking, or travel, and posting consistently. Even faceless channels like animation or stock footage compilations can attract millions of viewers if the content is engaging and well edited. Dropshipping is a low-risk way to start an e-commerce business. With platforms like Shopify and apps like Oberlo, you can sell products without keeping inventory. When someone places an order on your site, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. To succeed, focus on finding a profitable niche and using targeted advertising on platforms like Facebook or Instagram. If you enjoy photography or videography, stock content platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5 are great ways to monetize your skills. Businesses and creators constantly need high-quality images and videos for their projects, and you earn a commission every time someone downloads your content. Focus on trending topics like remote work, sustainability, or diverse representation for maximum sales potential. Remote work has become the norm in many industries. Sites like We Work Remotely and FlexJobs feature job listings for roles like customer service, project management, and software development. To stand out, tailor your resume to emphasize skills like communication, self-motivation, and time management, qualities employers look for in remote employees. Podcasting continues to grow in popularity, and it's easier than ever to start. Tools like Anchor let you record, edit, and distribute your podcast for free. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through sponsorships, listener donations, or even exclusive content subscriptions. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like true crime, personal finance, or pop culture, and start recording. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Investing in cryptocurrency is another way to build wealth, though it comes with higher risks. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others have shown significant growth in recent years. Before diving in, it's crucial to do thorough research and understand the market's volatility. Start by choosing a reputable exchange platform and consider diversifying your investments. Always remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. With careful planning and a strategic approach, cryptocurrency can be a valuable addition to your financial portfolio. Have you ever thought about sharing your expertise with the world and getting paid for it? Creating an online course is a fantastic way to do just that. With platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera, you can reach a global audience eager to learn what you know. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and break down your knowledge into digestible modules. Use engaging visuals, real-life examples, and interactive elements to keep your students hooked. Best of all, once your course is live, it becomes a source of passive income, earning you money even while you sleep. Don't wait any longer. Turn your expertise into an online course and inspire learners around the world. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses and entrepreneurs are constantly seeking ways to streamline their operations. This is where virtual assistant services come into play. As a virtual assistant, you can offer a wide range of services, including administrative support, social media management, customer service, and more, from the comfort of your own home. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Virtual Assistant USA can help you find clients in need of your skills. The best part? You set your own hours and rates, giving you the flexibility to balance work and personal life. If you have strong organizational skills and a knack for multitasking, becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect online job for you. Are you an artist, designer, or someone with a creative flair? Print on demand could be your ticket to turning your passion into profit. With platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble, you can create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. The best part, you don't need to handle inventory or shipping. Simply upload your design, set your prices, and the platform takes care of the rest. Imagine seeing your unique creations worn by people all over the world. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or a full-blown business, Print on Demand offers endless opportunities to unleash your creativity and earn money doing what you love. So why wait? Start designing today and let your imagination soar. Are you a social media whiz? Why not turn your skills into a thriving business with social media management? Businesses everywhere are in need of experts to handle their online presence on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. As a social media manager, you'll create content, engage with followers, and develop strategies to grow brand awareness. You can offer your services to small businesses, influencers, or even large corporations. The best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your home. With the growing importance of social media in today's digital age, the demand for skilled social media managers is skyrocketing. So if you're passionate about social media and have a knack for creating compelling content, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Dive in and start managing today.